Supreme Court of India on Wednesday ordered a CBI investigation into the high-profile Anjana murder case from Sagar district in Madhya Pradesh. The bench of Justice M.M. Sundaresh and N.K. Singh rejected the state police investigation and handed the case to the Central Bureau of Investigation. The victim's family had alleged that the accused received political protection from former Minister Bhupen Singh and other influential people. They claimed the police failed to conduct a fair investigation. With the case now going to CBI, pressure may increase on the former minister and others linked to the case. The decision is being seen as a major development in the controversial murder investigation. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav expressed deep grief over the sudden death of Surbhi Khandelwal, daughter of BJP State President and MLA Hemant Khandelwal. The Chief Minister offered condolence to the grieving family and paid tribute to the departed soul. He prayed to Baba Mahakal for peace for Surbhi's soul and strength for the family to bear this difficult loss. Political leader and party workers across Madhya Pradesh also expressed sorrow after hearing the news. Many people shared condolences on social media and remember Surbhi with respect. The family is receiving support and prayers from well-wishers during this painful time. Police used water cannons, tear gas and mild lathi charge during a clash with workers of Bhim Army and Azad Samaj Party in Datia district of Madhya Pradesh. The incident happened in Goraghat when activists tried to move toward Gwalior without permission during their Sankalp Yatra. Police stopped the rally which led to tension between the two sides. Authorities used force to control the crowd and restore order. Around 100 people were detained and sent to a temporary jail. Officials said the rally did not have official permission, while party workers accused the police of using unnecessary force. The situation later came under control. The Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission has announced application dates for 2 recruitment exams. These include 17 posts for Assistant District Prosecution Officer ADPO and 80 posts for Veterinary Assistant Surgeon. According to MPPSC official R. Panchbhai, the last date to apply online for the ADPO exam is 8th May 26. The ADPO exams will be held on 18th October 26. The Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam is scheduled for 2nd August 2026. Candidates from across Madhya Pradesh can apply through the Commission's official website. The recruitment process is expected to attract many applicants seeking government jobs in the state. The Income Tax Department carried out raids on properties linked to mining businessman Dilip Gupta in Bhopal. A team from Delhi arrived early Wednesday morning and conducted searches at several locations connected to the businessman. Officials began checking documents and financial records related to mining operation and business transaction. Sources said the action is part of an investigation into possible tax irregularities and undisclosed income. The simultaneous searches were carried out at multiple premises to collect evidence. Authorities have not yet released full details of the findings. The investigation is currently underway. The National Commission for Women has started public hearing across the country to address women's complaints. The program began on March 9th and will continue until March 14th. In a state where the State Women's Commission has no chairperson, officials from the national body are visiting to hear cases. As part of this initiative, Commission Chairperson Vijaya Rahatkar arrived in Bhopal on Wednesday. A special hearing bench has been set up at MLB College, Bhopal. Women from different districts are attending the session to submit complaints and seek help. Officials said the aim is to provide quick support and ensure justice for women. A harmonium player died by suicide in the Bilkhiria area of Bhopal. The deceased has been identified as Vivek Tiwari. Police said he hanged himself at his home late Tuesday night. Early Wednesday morning, the hospital informed the police about the incident. Officer registered a case and began an investigation to find out the reason behind the suicide. After the postmortem examination, the body was handed over to family members. Police are questioning relatives and checking possible causes that may have led to the incident. Further investigation is currently in progress. Weather is becoming hotter across Madhya Pradesh as summer arrives early in March. Cities like Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are seeing rising temperatures. In many districts, the daytime temperature has crossed 35 degrees Celsius and some places are close to 39 degrees Celsius. The India Meteorological Department says the weather will stay dry and sunny for the next few days. People are feeling a strong heat during the afternoon and many prefer to stay indoors. Doctors advise drinking more water and avoiding direct sunlight. Weather experts say temperatures may rise further as summer becomes stronger in the coming week.